Yo, where's the rice in? Oh. So much better with the rice in.
Can I get some stevia?
This is Rich with the C21 Soul Team,
And Lanoin.
and we are in Hercules.
Welcome to our latest listing at 103 Ash Court.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's been completely remodeled inside and out, and the best thing of all is it's on a corner lot. So if you're looking to park your boat or RV, then this is the perfect house for you.
Come on in and take a look inside. I'm here in the living room, which is a centralized space for this home. It has access to the backyard, dining room, kitchen. It has a high ceiling and lots of space, as well as an electric fireplace. We're here in the kitchen, and what is great about this one is you have a granite countertops. You also have access outside to the backyard, recessed lighting, and much more.
Now in addition, you've also got nice cherry cabinets that line the wall. So if you wanted to work and have a little home office, or you want to supervise your kids while they're doing their Zoom school, then you can do that easily. Now you also have a stainless steel double sink, as well as a dishwasher. Now I'm in the master bedroom, and one of my favorite features is that you actually have 2 sets of closets. You have one mirrored and one regular. Now in addition, you're towards the back of the house. So if you prefer sleeping with nice peace and quiet, overlooking nature, then this is a perfect master bedroom for you. Now as you can see, even the junior bedrooms also have upgrades. So you've got amazing features such as brand new baseboard, you've got wood laminate floors, and you've also got high ceilings with no popcorn.
The backyard has lots of fruit trees, a gardener's delight. You have a wraparound deck as well as parking for a boat or an RV.
Now this huge corner lot features plenty of space for entertainment. You've got a custom pergola here, you've got mature landscaping, and to my left you have even a storage shed. Now you've also got plenty of gardening. You've got a vegetable garden on the side as well.
So many mature fruit trees here. You have pluots, pears, Asian pears, as well as persimmon, and lots of land for you to plant your favorite fruits.
From the backyard, you can see the beautiful view of San Pablo Bay.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.